I find myself on a river or still ocean in a boat with a boatman. The sky is hazy, but the sun is bright in the upper left. The boatman sits in front of me on the left side of the boat, rowing. I can faintly see the shore to my right, a great distance away, which is dark and veiled with shadow. On my left, the water extends endlessly. Boatman, hello. I don't believe we've met. Boatman, I've met all your family who have gone before. I see. And who are you? Boatman, the boatman of the River Styx. You're on your way. Before I go on, what part of my mind are you? Boatman, the inner real, or you might say, the inner realism. The inner realism. Go on, don't leave me in the dark. Boatman, the delusional part of you that thinks you know what is going to happen to you. In what way are you real, yet delusional? Boatman, real to you. What you think is real. So what purpose, function do you serve? Boatman, we are one. I do not merely serve your mind. Understood. What then do you do on the other side of my or our consciousness? Boatman, I deliver you places. I carry you about. Who decides where I go? Boatman, I do, mostly. You carry me many places I do not wish to go. Boatman, that is a matter over which you have no power, I must say. We would be better off cooperating, wouldn't we? Boatman, I've thought about this, and I cannot firmly say that is so. Why? Boatman, I wish to go places you do not. How exactly does that benefit us, being one person? Boatman, my wishes and needs are not exactly yours. What do you wish for? Boatman, peace, a strong life. I see. And it is not coincidence we are on the River Styx, then? Boatman, not at all. I have ferried you here for many years, but you will not let us land on the other side. That is not a matter for you or me to decide. Boatman, oh? Who made you? Boatman, God, he utters with perhaps an element of dissatisfaction. Who made the proverbial River Styx? Boatman, the Greeks, but as so far as it is real, God. Have you considered the other shore may be better than the one you seek? Boatman, my friend, I'm afraid you just don't understand yourself. But you understand me? Boatman, probably as well as you me. Yet you drive the boat? Boatman, this is a reality we must live with. You claim to know my family past as well. Boatman, I have carried them across. You forget that I have seen both shores of the river. And you prefer the far side. Boatman, yes, with its hellfire burning and torment. This you have seen in your subconscious, the books you hope to write. I see now the delusional component. Boatman, I am deluded, as are those who seek that far side. It is a realm of the deluded. I cannot enter that realm. No power can make it so, and you know perfectly well why. Boatman. I do. And perhaps that is why we mire in the middle. I am deluded, yes. I seek to get over with the inevitable. Yet for your kind, I am not so deluded, am I? The go-getters, the disciplined, they tackle headfirst the most difficult challenge, the hardest task. If they were consistent, perhaps they would be more like me and steer the boat where it will inevitably go. Perhaps they are deluded, and we, are the consistent ones. Perhaps it is consistent, but not for new creatures. Boatman, yes, and yet I carry you on. I doubt you, as you probably know. Boatman, yes, it is no surprise. Why go on then? Boatman, it is not I, but the current. Yet you decide where to go, you say. Boatman, I decide by the current. I go with the current. You fight it. Where would I go, going with the current? Boatman, I don't know. Wherever it goes. You know very well where it goes. Boatman, that I cannot say. Look, I want what's best for you. I don't believe you at all. Boatman, why? You have carried me around for years. Those have been years of darkness. I know you better than we both first surmised. You carry me like a prisoner where I do not wish to go, yet claim benevolence. You are deluded, and I am better fit to pilot this boat. Speak now. Sensing that he was forming a contrived, dishonest response, I seized the oar that he was rowing with a struggle. I hit him, and I realized my strength over him. You sit. I will pilot. This is how it is from now on. And when you are ready to cooperate and come to your senses, we can talk again.